In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy email campaigns in Go High Level. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to duplicate an existing email campaign so you can reuse your best performing content without rebuilding everything from scratch. Let's start inside your Go High Level dashboard. Once you're logged in and you're in the correct location or account, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several options for different parts of the platform. Find the option labeled Marketing. This is where all of your promotional tools live, including emails, campaigns, and other related features. Go ahead and click on Marketing to open up that section. After clicking Marketing, you'll see a set of tabs or subsections across the top or side, depending on your layout. Look for the one labeled Emails. This is the central hub for everything related to your email communications. Click on Emails to move into that area. Give it a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of data in your account. Inside the email section, you'll see different views such as scheduled emails, templates, or statistics. We want to work with actual campaigns, so look for the Campaigns option. This might appear as a tab or as part of a navigation bar within the emails area. Click on Campaigns. Here, you should see a list of your existing email campaigns, usually with columns showing their names, statuses, and performance metrics. Find the specific campaign you want to copy. Take a second to confirm it's the right one by checking the campaign name or any other details you recognize. On the right side of that campaigns row, you'll notice a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu for that particular campaign. In the drop-down, look for the option labeled Clone. This is the feature that lets you duplicate your campaign. Click on Clone. Go High Level will create a copy of the campaign, usually with the same structure, content, and settings as the original. The new campaign will often have copy or a similar label added to the name, so you can easily identify it. Once the clone is created, you can open it up, rename it, adjust the content, update your subject lines, and tweak your audience or schedule as needed. This simple cloning process can save